Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking Narcissus. Yes, if you've been in basic foil design, we told you daffodils are special. They secrete a sap. The whole Narcissus family is like that. So when you get them in, you want to fill vases with water and flower food. Then give each stem a fresh cut and let them soak a minimum of 2 hours all by themselves. That way the sap secretes, it diminishes, and then you can design them with other flowers. Just remember, they like to be solo for 2 hours, giving them that fresh cut, and then you can let them play with the other flowers.